Hi, I'm Frank McIntyre, Senior Applications Engineer with SolarEdge.
Hi, I'm Shamani, Senior Field Applications Engineer with SolarEdge also.
We're here in Santa Clara on a 300 kilowatt rooftop to show you a centralized inverter configuration using our 80 kilowatt Synergy inverter. These inverters in one location like this, right next to the AC panel board, allows for easy installation, easy operations and maintenance, while still allowing for varying string lengths and complex configurations on C&I rooftops.
As opposed to 𝗀𝗲-𝗲𝗏𝗏𝗀𝗏 systems that are using traditional string inverters that have to be located right next to the array, within a foot of the array, it really complicates your string design and takes away the design flexibility. With traditional string inverters, when you have to combine two roof segments that are spread out, you would need to add rapid shutdown initiation devices, which adds complexity and more failure points in your system. During a rapid shutdown event, your DC conductors are still live. So even though your inverter is shut off, you still have the 1000 volts flowing to your DC conductors right up to a point where it gets to the inverter.
As opposed to the SolarEdge system, when there's a rapid shutdown event, the DC circuit is de-energized down to 30 volts, a touch-safe voltage per string. This allows for first responders, operations and maintenance personnel, and just the general public coming up to the array to be able to be safe in touching the array.